Welcome to the Business 501 Management Thought and Applications, and we're going to take a look at a part of the three dimensions in business, and this is part of the ethical dimension. And the ethical dimension basically has two different areas. But before you think about the ethical dimensions in behavior, it's very much like a iceberg. So you have the water, and an iceberg basically has a little bit of the iceberg showing at the top, but a large part of the iceberg is underwater. And so what happens is what is under the water is really the attitudes and beliefs that we have. And some of these attitudes and beliefs are things that are part of our culture that are not right or wrong, they're variable. And so these are cultural items, cultural values, cultural ways of seeing the world. And so, for example, people in the US have certain cultural values versus people in China. And so, again, this is not right or wrong. These are just different. But then there's some beliefs that are really always right or wrong. And so these are fixed or ethical standards. And we believe that these things are things that God has created in us and that are fixed, and there's always a right or a wrong. Doing the right thing is what we're called to do, and doing the wrong thing is inappropriate because of our design. So if you come to this from a Christian worldview, God created a design, and in following that design, then we have healthy development. If you look at it from a humanist perspective, then as humans, it's up to us to construct an ethical environment or an ethical culture so that we have to be the ones that through our actions do things that are good, that support community. So irregardless if you come to the discussion about ethics from a biblical standpoint or from a atheistic or humanist perspective, there's always this fixed ethical right or wrong, Aristotelian values, and there's the variable cultural values.